Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to contact Calendly Support. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to calendly.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now after that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Calendly if you already don't have a profile. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have in the top left corner the create button, the event types and schedule events, and we have upgrade plan and the admin center in the bottom left corner. In the top right corner, we have, as you can see, everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and contact Calendly Support. It is pretty simple guys, you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So basically what you need to do is go to the bottom right with your mouse, go to the bottom left corner and click on the help option. Here guys, as you can see, you have 5 options: help center, Calendly community, what's new, chat with us, and give feedback. You can contact the support by going and clicking on chat with us, where you'll have a chat box where then you can go and talk to them with the problem that you actually have. But also you can go and click on the first option, which is the help center. When you click there, as you can see, we have how can we help you today, and you can go and get started and get help from them here. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.